Here I have DOOGEE S88 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So firstly, you just have to turn your device off, and after it turns off completely, what you'll have to do is to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume up at the same time like this for a couple of seconds. After the screen turns on, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up, just like this. And that's how you enter recovery mode. Here at the recovery mode, you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select. And here you have such options as reboot system now, reboot to bootloader, enter fast boot, apply update from ADB, apply update from SD card, wipe data factory reset, wipe cache partition, mount system, view recovery logs, run graphics test, run local test, and power off. If you want to exit this mode, you have two options. You can select the option power off and just turn off your device, or you can select option reboot system now and restart it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, then please subscribe, leave thumbs ups, and bye.